Hi guys, I'm back and today I'm going to be showing a fun experiment using super glue and water. I'm also going to be seeing what happens when you mix, dissolve and mix borax with water and then put super glue on it. So here is one of the things that can happen when you put super glue in normal water. This is literally what it looks like. It's a cocoon, pretty much, of super glue. I'm gonna take it off, but I can't use my hands because if it pops, that would not be good. So I'm gonna use you can see it's actually, yep, there it goes, it popped. I'm gonna keep this up. There it is going in. I'm gonna show what happens. When it hits the water, it turns all and there's another cocoon now. So I'm gonna just show that actually is what's coming out and what's happening by taking a bit of paper towel and super gluing it together using this. So I have a little piece of paper towel. I'm gonna do that. I gotta pop this open again. So here it is, and now I'm gonna take another piece and put it on top. And I don't want it to soak up through it onto my hands. I already have super glue on my hands, but you can see it's sticking. Not there, but right here it's just reps. Okay, so I'm gonna show in the bottom there's two little dots. I'm gonna take those out and show them. Okay, so now I have one of the small dots. Even though they look like they're all solid now, they pop. Yeah. It's all weird. Okay, now I'm gonna mix some borax with water and see what happens. I know that nothing will happen with borax, but what I don't know is that nothing will happen when you put the super glue in the dissolved borax water. I need to figure out a way to actually get it out. I have a little spoon that I'm going to stir it with. Like a little mini spoon. I don't think it would matter how much I put in as long as I put a good amount in. I mean, it might eventually, but I'm just going to stir this until it dissolves and then see what happens with super glue in it. Okay, I dissolved it pretty much as well as I can. I'm going to put this in and I'll take it out and show you after. I want to see if anything different will happen this time.
Well, if he's barking like that.
I don't think much happened.
Well, if he's barking because his ball was just out of his reach. Just so
Oh,
you know.
poor potato puppy. Okay, I'm gonna dissolve a little more, borax and see if anything different happens then. Okay, I think I've put
Alexa, turn off
enough
the timer.
in now. Gonna
Does he like it?
actually, it comes up on the screen right
No,
away.
he's not going to eat a shopkin, or that's silly. So silly.
I want to actually see if it does something when it's put. So after this, if it's not enough, I'm not going to waste any more borax because I put in like a seriously big amount. But I will check if you dip one in the normal water, if this doesn't work. And it makes that pocket, and then you dip it in just powder borax, normal, not dissolved in water, borax, and then see if anything happens.
Okay, put it in ketchup, Samuel. Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm gonna try a little
In your
bit
cabinets, anyway.
of it.
Babe, do you think that those ones are good
They're
enough to do the
floating.
blues?
I don't know,
What?
the stuff
You
sinks
think
to
it's
the
good enough to do the
bottom.
blues?
That's good enough.
These ones
For
are
those,
floating and
cabinets?
turning different.
Oh, on the faces?
Yeah.
What is this?
Well, I did white today.
We'll have to do one more because I got to fill those holes.
Oh.
But we'll go ahead and do the blue.
Not any different.
Okay, nobody close this cabinet.
We made the little pockets.
Bottle.
Not me.
Weird. Like droplets.
Yeah, they're like droplets of something. Something being super glue. Okay, so I'm gonna dip this into some borax and then take it out and show it. I'm not sure that's
Maybe should I put
anything.
cloths or something underneath the sides?
Well, now that they're in borax, it pretty much, oh, it's having a chemical reaction. It's hot. So I put super glue, so I dissolved borax in water, dropped super glue in, use this little thingy, and to take it out after a bit, and then put it in borax, and then it had a chemical reaction. Kind of like if you were to take super glue and drop it into cinnamon or into, what's it? There's lots of different things, but another one is salt or, what's it? Baking soda. Then it has a chemical reaction where it hardens pretty much immediately and starts heating up. So this stuff hardened after and is heating up. I'm going to see what happens if I make those cool droplets and then harden it. I put a big amount in that. Hopefully it still does the same thing, turning into the droplets. Okay, that was longer than I expected. Alright. That's something.
Mm-hmm. Weird.
Okay. I didn't want it to be that big of droplets. Okay. I'm just gonna do something else with this, I think. Oh my gosh, that's just weird. So weird. I'm gonna take this. I think that hardened already. Well, I think I need to try that again. It hardened in there. Okay, I'm gonna try this again with less drops, because that was obviously too long of a thing. Yeah, that's better.
Too many.
Okay, so that looks kind of odd, but right now it's probably having a chemical reaction where it gets hot. If you were to put a lot of super glue and a lot of borax or cinnamon or baking soda or salt, it would probably heat up a lot more, and I've done it before, and you know, it's kind of cool. It has just like a, that'd be good if you were gonna make some sort of earrings, but it'd be very fragile earrings.
That is a lot.
If you look behind my hand, you can see there's little tiny spots that are like super small and thin, skinny. It kind of stands up a little bit. I think that was a pretty interesting, where'd that go? Experiment. Yeah, it would be good for like a prop for snow. Little pile of snow. I think that was a pretty interesting experiment.
Babe, come eat some.
Seeing what happened.
Honey, I've been munching the whole time in here. Hold on,
I'm
Brandon.
gonna-
I got the same thing going.
See, when it's in normal water, it sinks to the bottom, and when it's in the box, it doesn't. So that's something different between them. It wasn't as big of a change in difference than I expected to happen, but it was still cool. I'm gonna see if it pops. Well, you could hear it pop there. It was weird. Okay.